Hi, I'm Cody, the sales director of When Living. It's truly a pleasure to be here in San Jose del Cabo, Mexico, overlooking When Living's construction site, which runs alongside one of the fairways of Club Campestre Golf Course. I'm excited to share the incredible progress that has been made with the construction of this project. Our team's been making great strides, and we're now completing the foundation stage and ready to move on to the phase where the structures of this stunning development will begin to emerge. I invite you to come and explore our model home and experience firsthand the quality and the beauty of When Living.